Police officers respond to a call about a stabbing. When they arrive on the scene, the caller meets them on the porch. In the next several minutes that follow, the officers discover that the caller is more involved than they initially believed, and things take a very bizarre turn.
All right. Come on here. 10. All right, let me get some information form from you. You injured? No, don't go back in there. You injured at all? Are you injured? 54. Hey, he's confirmed. You guys cancel. He's confirmed. Yeah. All right, you can't go back inside this tape, okay? Where's his son at? You know? Where's Junior? You know where Junior is? Okay. There's nobody else in the house but just the dog now, right? Yes? Are you alright? Yeah. Okay.
All good?
Yeah, I'm still big one.
Is there anything else that we need to get done right now, or?
I had him secure the dog inside. It's an aggressive BNS pit bull. I actually chewed on the decedent, ripped his arm off, flesh off of his arm.
Where
This
is
is
the
right on the front porch. Nobody else is in the house. The dog's in there. This is the individual that was involved. Seems a little high. Last time we were out here last week and a half ago, 92 Bravo over heroin. Guy took a bunch of dope. Overdosed. Dad gave him the scene gave him 4 doses of Narcan. He got up, took 10 up the road. We found him. They released him even though he OD'd. Saw him went back to his family. And he went back there and started fighting. He's got blood all over his hands. So I don't know how you want to write a statement.
He can write it, and we'll peel the paper. Make sure he presses hard so it goes in the carbons. But Clay told me last time. All right. Yes, sir. Hang on, sir. Hang on. Hang on. I'll be right with you.
What's up?
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Doing all right.
Okay.
Need a bath would be great.
Okay. Can you write a statement for me?
Not right now.
Okay. All right.
We already get an account of what happened, or?
Yeah, we got a verbal. Walk me through over time. So you guys are on the front porch. And then what happened?
I was sitting there smoking some weed I got from right here down the road, and all I do is smoke weed.
Right.
I stopped. I've been clean for like 3 months now, 2 months now, something like that. I don't remember. And I told myself I wasn't gonna smoke weed, but my pop said it's cool as long as I stay away from all the other bullshit. You know what I mean? And I was smoking weed, and that's all I was smoking. The motherfuckers had to put something in it because the shit made me feel weird as fuck. And then that was it. I was sat at the table, and the motherfucker lunged at me with a knife right there. It's laying on the table. It's like a steak knife.
And this happened inside?
Yes.
Okay. How did he get out?
On the front porch.
Okay. All right, so you sure you don't need EMS check out?
You say you're feeling funny. You want him to at least check your vitals, make sure everything's okay?
Yeah, I mean,
We'll get him to come check you out.
I'm good.
You sure? I mean, they're right down the road, so it's not a big deal. They can come at least check your vitals. You said something's not right. You think something was in your marijuana. I don't want to not give you medical attention if you think something's wrong.
Yes, I need medical attention. Yeah, like now.
Okay. Calm down. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, come up this way. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Just hang out there, bud, on the tailgate. He's gonna lower that right there, and you can have a seat and relax.
Hang on, I'm gonna drop in the tailgate.
Man, I need a shower like ASAP
Okay.
with a clean.
Okay. No.
Go ahead and do that.
You ain't got any weapons on you or anything, right?
Yeah.
Hang on, don't move. Just put the axe on. Light him.
We got use the view and just get a couple.
Well, I'm gonna pat him down real quick. Hey!
Hey, don't do that, buddy.
Don't do that.
That's not good. Don't do that.
The man is obviously under the influence of something more potent than cannabis.
You're gonna keep acting like that, it's gonna get bad. Okay? Sit up. You said you were armed. What are you armed with? What do you have on you?
What do you got on you? Turn and place him against the car. We're not gonna keep playing this game if we're gonna have some issues.
Get in there.
Get this. Grab it and yeah. Let's get this figured out.
Have any?
So you have anything or no?
No, not weapon wise.
Nothing. Okay. Just making sure.
Alright, EMS is on their way. Okay? I'll go grab some photos.
I meant the on this side. Just other hands and stuff.
Hey man, can
Alright, can I take some pictures of you? Hold your hands out like this. Turn 'em over. You don't have any other injuries on you? You have no injuries at all?
No. Face shots.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, can I see your gun, bro?
No.
I wasn't hearing shit, was I?
No.
No. So you can see that. Well, you guys wait for a second. I'm gonna pull mine forward a little bit further so they can pull in right here. Sir.
Where was the knife at originally?
Do me a favor and just sit back down, bud.
Go ahead. Probably have a seat. Ten-4 should be the one that was called in, referenced, and kind of. So why was the knife on the front porch? You know? Nevin.
Oh, the knife? Yeah, it was over here.
You're good. Just hang out there, bud.
There's definitely nobody else in the house, correct?
There's a dog that's aggressive. Other than that, I don't know where Junior is. I asked, and he didn't know. So,
Oh.
what?
Junior.
Yeah. Where's Junior?
Ronnie and Ronnie Jr. right here.
Ronnie. Okay, what is that?
Those are ears.
Those are ears. Can you hold those out for me? Right. So I'll take these from you. I got it.
Let me grab a paper bag. I'll grab it. You got it. Stand by.
So where's Ronnie Jr. at? Is he inside? Is there somebody else inside? Hey, Sarge. We're gonna need ACO. Oh. Probably gonna need ACO.
491, like, we're gonna need ACO about this way.
Hey! Motherfucker! Get down! No, no, no! Get off! He's trying to get his fucking gun. Have it? No. Okay. Taser. Fucker. 33 traffic light, we're fighting them. Stay your ass down. Grab the hand. He's trying to get up. Get him down. Hold his legs out. Easy. Get the other hand and get it back to around behind. Have it. Stop. Everybody slow down. Easy. Slow down. It's back here. Okay. Put your hands behind your back.
You want leg arms?
Yeah. Motherfucker. Put your head behind your back. God damn it. Hey, wake up.
Oh, he's awake.
You off of him?
He's awake.
You alright?
He's kicking his legs. Yeah, he's breathing.
Alright.
He's breathing.
Chill out, man. Let's relax.
Relax and breathe. Relax and breathe. Everybody's intimidated.
Enough.
Am I going to connect the...
Yeah. We're hooking him.
Stop resisting, please, sir. Sir, you need to stop resisting. Stop resisting now. This is done. It's over with. Keep it up. Give him the other.
We're just trying to get legs up. Listen.
Only one. Get him on his head.
Hang on, I lost it.
Let's turn him over. Yeah, let's. Enough of this bullshit. Crosses ain't easy. Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting.
Okay, they're connected. They're connected.
Oh.
Ready? Settle down. Okay.
All good?
Oh, help the old man back up.
Oh, Pop's good. Ronnie. Pop's Ronnie.
Cameras.
All right, everybody got their stuff. I should be back right there.
We got the taser.
Everybody's taser.
That's probably mine.
We have three left. So it's over with. You guys have a deployment?
Yeah, I got a double.
All right.
Back to evidence now.
If it's on the tail, you can leave it there. It's as secure as it needs to be for now.
Okay. I got me a cell phone.
Yeah, no, it's probably mine. That's mine. Yeah, one of these is. This one looks like mine.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I told him he was secure.
Things work pretty good, do they?
That's not me. That's mine. 133 Stango.
So we have pilot cameras after the scuffle.
That's
So
not
they
me.
were shooting off with like tic tacs.
Well,
Probably under.
let me maybe light the scene up here.
Shoe over there.
Slide under the
It's
truck.
over.
Oh, I guess that's his stuff.
Breathe.
Is the other brother 7-2?
We don't know the dog inside, but so I thought this guy had ears. And when I asked him where Junior was that senior on the porch, look, he pulled these out. Come on. He goes, "There's Junior."
Yeah, 2 years.
It's his ears. So I wonder if Junior's in there.
Yeah.
There's a big ass pit bull in there,
Yeah.
and the pit bull's already got a hold of Dad and ripped all this off
Where's that?
on the front porch. He's 7.
So that's Junior.
That's what he said. That's Junior.
Oh yeah.
I want to make sure.
Yeah, no, we're live.
He says that's Junior right
That's
Yeah, he
Junior.
pulls out his ears and says that's Junior. Pulled those out of his pocket and said, here's Junior.
Is this the victim?
No, this is one of the victims.
Possibly.
That's what I'm
So,
wondering.
senior, so here's what we do. So Senior's on the front porch.
Wait,
They
there's
see
another
the
one on the
ears.
house.
There has to be another one in the house. Has he got his ears?
I asked. I didn't see.
I mean, obviously.
Yeah.
Take two of you. No, take three of y'all. Go through that house, please. Just make sure what we have.
He does not have ears. They were cut off. Who's got lethal?
I got lethal.
Sheriff's office!
Sheriff office. Anybody in there by side or south?
Sheriff's office! Sheriff's office! Stop it. Knock it off. He's scared.
I don't hear any EMS sound like. Stay down.
Don't do anything. I said, please. I'm asking you. If the medical guys come and take a look at you. It's unusual.
Yeah.
The residents, there's a 90 in there that was aggressive. There's nobody in there. Senior's on the front porch. Yeah, absolutely. And like I said, once he had the ears, then it kind of changed, and he identified those ears as Junior. Yep.
Did you get pictures of that?
No, Clay said don't get anything.
Don't get anything.
Don't get anything.
The man is subsequently charged with second-degree murder, battery on an officer, and resisting arrest. He was sentenced to 50 years in prison. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to check out more of our content.